What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is John Paul Investing. First of all, I wanted to say I love you guys. You guys have been so supportive with all the content I have made here on this channel. I know it has been a roller coaster in the stocks that we talk about here on this channel, but regardless of how the markets behave, one thing for certain is that we can all learn here. No matter what the case is in the markets, we can learn something new that we can use for the future. So I wanted to actually tell you guys, I am so thankful for you guys who are watching my videos and that are actually getting a ton of value from the videos that I make here. I love to read your comments, so please keep them coming, guys. Now, today we have a video about Nano Dimension once again. This is going to be the second video on Nano Dimension today. So I was on our Discord group, and a lot of the guys in the group are honestly geniuses. The guys in this group honestly are so good at catching news a lot faster than I can catch the news more often than not. Soul, Dero, DJ Sammy, Z Gamer. Who else likes to point out news? Honestly, you guys are awesome. I'm sorry if I left out a couple of your names, but I know you guys, work diligently to help me find new content for these videos. You guys are freaking amazing, so I'm also giving you guys a shout out. And to everyone else who has been watching the videos, thank you so much for supporting the channel. It really means a whole lot to me. So going back to the Discord group, I discovered that a couple of the guys in the group, shared some new things with me that I actually had no idea about, which is the AME Academy, which is the Additive Manufacturing of Electronics Academy that Nano Dimension released for February 23rd of this month. And also, I'm going to post a screenshot here that was given to us in the group. I'm not sure exactly how he got this. I'm not sure how real this is. I'm not saying it's real. But the thing is, I could not find a link for this on Google anywhere. If you try to look this up on Google, it simply does not exist. But allegedly, this is a roadshow set by Think Equity. This is in highlighted blue, corporate access non-deal roadshow for Nano Dimension on February 3rd or tomorrow. So this is a corporate event that I guess retail does not really have access to. This is a corporate event. I guess some big names are going to be going to, see what Nano Dimension has to offer. Again, I have not been able to verify if this is real or not, so I have no way of proving it is real. So if you go to Nano Dimension's website at nano-di.com /Nano Dimension AME Academy. I'll put the link somewhere in the description. This is where you guys can sign up for this if you guys want to participate or if you guys want to join the academy once it goes live on the 23rd. This is where you can register to see the AME Academy, which presents the future of additive manufacturing of electronics. The AME Academy is the first ever seminar of additive manufacturing of electronics with leading industry experts. This online event will cover the future of additive manufacturing, software, hardware, and automation for electronic devices. Attendees will hear firsthand about revolutionary applications and advancements of this technology from research and development to commercial applications by leading research institutes and companies developing and using AME technology for fabricating electronic devices. Participants will have the chance to network and exchange ideas in a virtual Academy chat room. Being on the verge of a new era of 3D printed electronics, this event will provide comprehensive insights to the possibilities of additive manufacturing of electronics technology. This event is coordinated by ID Tech EX, Novacentrics, Electronics, and Enscript Inc. And again, it is on February 23rd at 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, US. Now, I did hear some rumors from others in the Discord group that these could be potential buyout candidates for Nano Dimension. I don't think they would put them on the forefront in a chat room and, put a company that they're interested in like kind of hidden in plain sight. I don't think they would do that. These could possibly just be existing customers, or these could be just companies who have had the chance to experiment with one of their Dragonfly printers. If you guys don't remember, in my previous video, it's probably been about a month now, I found an interview on SoundCloud with Yoav Stern where he mentions that, I forgot the group name. Actually, this is a group of their customers that come together and pretty much bring new ideas to the table because these customers have a lot of experience in the industry and can come up with really new ideas using the Dragonfly printers that Nano Dimension wouldn't have even thought of. So it's actually really cool that customers generally who would be competing with each other are actually able to come together and create new ideas.
Offer them to form a customers advisory board to our R&D and product team, and which will meet once in 2-3 months, and they were very excited because all the customers don't feel they're competing with each other. They're all kind of working and sharing information because it's going to expand the industry. It's not going to overlap and push each other. It's going to open more horizons for all of them. So we're going to establish now and start to operate a customers advisory committee along the lines I just described.
This is essentially that group that I'm talking about. So I think that these companies stated in the AME Academy are companies within this group that have been, coming up with new ideas with the Dragonfly printers. And if we go on Twitter, we will actually see the post that they created. Dr. Melbs Lemieux, I'm not sure if I said that right, president and co-founder of Electronics. Oh, so I said that wrong a second ago. President and co-founder of Electronics Incorporated will speak at the AME Academy on high performance materials for the next generation of electronics. Keyword here, guys, is high performance materials. What was I saying earlier, probably about a month ago? Again, what was the bread and butter for Nano Dimension? The materials. So the better materials get for Nano Dimension, the more application they'll be able to have with their printers. So they'll be able to make, more commercial and industrial products if they have a lot better materials. So I think this is another breakthrough for Nano Dimension to, get this on the plate for everyone to see, to, be able to see the possibilities with their printers. I'm not trying to hype them up. I'm just saying that, they're putting it out there for people to see. They are being transparent. And I'm actually really excited to see what they're going to come up with on this meeting. So I wanted to bring up the updated investor presentation that Nano Dimension released not too long ago, actually on the 25th of January, specifically looking at the update in their financials. And what we see now is that they are sitting on $990 million on the balance sheet with no debt, at least as of January 20th, 2021. Since January 1st, 2018, they have sold 49 Dragonfly Pros, 14 Dragonfly LDMs, 36 machines were upgraded from the Pro to the LDM, and there have been 41 Dragonfly service contracts signed. So we can look at the Dragonfly upgrades to the Pro as LDM machine sales in a sense because, they're making the Pro into an LDM machine. And if you guys did not already know, Nano Dimension signs a servicing contract with their customers, which basically takes the liability off the customer for, managing the machines and making sure it's operating properly. Instead, what they can do is just sign a contract with Nano Dimension, who already knows how the machine functions, and they'll come in and make sure your machine is working in tip-top form. And this also counts as another revenue stream for Nano Dimension. And a very important thing to see in a company that's expanding their business is the fact that they are seeing their gross margins improve. This means that they are able to create their products and services more efficiently and profitable before accounting for sales and general administration expenses and research and development. It does not include those. It is specifically revenues and cost of goods sold. So they're getting a lot better gross margins there. And for you guys who want to see just how accurate the machines can be, I pulled up a chart on Fathom Digital Manufacturing, which is actually a company that's going to be working with the Dragonfly LDM printers. So this table is kind of weird, but on the left side, this is pretty much one entry right here. And then on this side, this is another entry. So for technology, we'll see inkjet from cartridge, accuracy 0.01 millimeters, and pretty much that's how it goes. If you guys want to pause it and see the specifications for what the Dragonfly LDM printers are capable of, then go ahead and pause the video. Let me get you a good spot. Pause now. So again, there was more news about Nano Dimension today. They actually released this, I believe, yesterday or the day before. I already forgot. But the point is it's still pretty fresh. We have until February 23rd before they actually do this presentation. And, this is something that we can all look forward to, especially as investors in the company. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you're watching, please go ahead and hit that like button. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.